to sit at a piano. We can't all sound like Mozart, but if your comportment is correct, you can at least look like you know what you're doing. You will need a piano bench, and good posture. Step 1. Sit in the middle of the bench, so you can easily lean in either direction to play high or low notes. Step 2. Put your arms straight out in front of you, closing your hands into loose fists. Your elbows should be turned inward toward your torso. Step 3. Put your loose fists on the keys, allowing your elbows to hang close to your body, but keeping your hands level with your forearms. Elbows should be roughly 4 inches closer to the keyboard than your shoulders. Step 4. Keep your hands and fingers rounded with only your fingertips on the keys. Keys should be pressed with the weight of the hand alone. Step 5. Place your feet flat on the floor and keep them flat unless you're pressing a pedal. Don't forget to sit up straight. Step 6. Keep your chin parallel to the ground and your shoulders relaxed. Step 7. Channel your favorite pianist, or maybe just get out the sheet music and start practicing.
How to read music. If you want to play an instrument, the first thing you need to do is read music. Check out these simple tips to get started. You will need several sheets of blank paper, a black marker, and sheet music. Step 1. Learn the different kinds of notes. An open note head is a whole note. An open note head with a stem is a half note. A darkened note head with a stem is a quarter note. A darkened note head with a stem and a flag is an eighth note. And a darkened note head with a stem and 2 flags is a 16th note. Step 2. Know that a beat is a steady pulse. Beats can occur at different speeds and are usually measured by BPMs, beats per minute. Step 3. Determine how long to hold each note. A 16th note for 1/16 of the time is a whole note, an eighth note for 1/8 of the time, a quarter note for 1/4, and a half note for half the time is a whole note. Step 4. The symbol that appears at the beginning of every music staff is called a clef symbol. The treble clef symbol looks like an ampersand, while the bass clef symbol looks like a reverse C with a colon next to it. Step 5. Draw 5 horizontal lines with the marker on a piece of paper, leaving enough space to write a letter between each line. Now write the letters E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G from the bottom line diagonally to the top line, alternating writing the letters on the lines and in the spaces. This is the treble clef staff. Begin memorizing it. Assign mnemonic devices to the letters to help you memorize them. The letters on the lines are commonly remembered as "Every good boy does fine," and the space letters spell face, which rhymes with space. Step 6. Draw another 5 horizontal lines on a piece of paper. Now write the letters G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, and B from the bottom line diagonally to the top line, alternating writing the letters on the line and in the spaces, ending with the B resting above the top line. This is the bass clef staff, which you should also memorize. The mnemonic devices for the bass clef are "Good boys do fine always" and "All cows eat grass." Step 7. Pick up your sheet music and begin reading it. Determine how many beats each note gets and the letter of each note. Soon you will be able to make music from what you've learned. Did you know? The Star-Spangled Banner was named the national anthem of the United States by Congress in 1931.
How to play the heart and soul melody on the piano. Any dope can play heart and soul. Now you can be one of them. You will need a piano and time to practice. Step 1. Use your pointer finger to hit the second F key up from the middle C briskly 3 times. Then hit it once more before moving down to play keys E, then D, then F 3 times briskly. Then F once more before bouncing down and playing keys E, then D. Step 2. From D, only play D once. Go all the way back up to G, playing each key along the way. Step 3. From G, go up 1 key to A, hitting A 3 times. Step 4. Descend 2 notes. After hitting the A for the 4th time, play G, then F. Step 5. As soon as you hit that starter key F again, ascend all the way to C. You should play the following keys on the way back up: G, A, B flat, C. Since heart and soul is in the key of F, every B that is played will be a flat note. A flat note is the black key to the left of the corresponding white key. Step 6. After C, reach down and play F, the starter key again. Then jump, play no keys, up past the C key to play D. From there, descend to the starter key of F again, playing each key on the way. Don't forget that B flat. Step 7. Practice until you feel confident. Then grab a partner to play the bass part while you manage the melody. Voila! A duet. Did you know? The original version of Heart and Soul was introduced in the short film A Song is Born and went all the way to #1 on the charts in 1939. Use piano pedals. Everyone remarks upon the hands of a skilled pianist, but even the most dexterous keyboard artist couldn't pull off Schubert without using some fancy footwork. You will need a piano with at least one pedal and some coordination. Step 1. Familiarize yourself with the names of the pedals. There's the damper pedal, the soft pedal, and the sostenuto. Step 2. Find the damper pedal, which is located on the right. Played with the right foot, it offers a fuller, more fluid sound. Step 3. Find the soft pedal next, located on the left and played with the left foot. The soft pedal produces a fantasy-like musical effect. Step 4. Now find the sostenuto pedal, which is in the middle and played with the left foot. The sostenuto sustains the sound long after the fingers are taken off the keys. Step 5. As your fingers press the keys whose sound you want to enhance, apply pressure to the pedal of your choice with the tip of your toe. Keep your heel on the ground. It should just be used as a pivot. Step 6. Depending on the pedal you have chosen, you can either remove your finger from the key at this point, letting the pedal effect linger, or you can hold both the key and the pedal down. Step 7. Keep the pedal down for as long as you want its effect to last. Step 8. Practice your new pedaling skills with a variety of songs, so you can tell your friends you've learned to play the piano with your feet.